Friends, welcome to my channel. I'm having hilarious experiences. Okay, I'll tell you my 7-Eleven ka experience. I did not have the coffee. The coffee was had with a friend who I was with, and it's just opposite my home. So I sent an email to the head office. I think it is in state US, and they did not respond. Okay, and they give you a case number or something. So now 7-Eleven is handled in India by Reliance. So I sent a email to them. Then they're saying, ma'am, you did not send the correct email to the right department. मुझे इतनी हंसी आ रही थी. First and foremost, they make it very difficult to reach to them. These huge branded ones, they make it very, very difficult to capture them. Okay, once you get the ticket number or that particular number, you can have some word with them. Like I remember, I am interacting with Sugar. Despite of getting a ticket number, they are not putting it in the heading. And I said, don't mess around like this. When you're given a ticket number, you have to write not resolved. Today I'm going to write another email. It is, these people just get away with it. Hmm? They think they are sitting in some big branded place and crappy services or whatever. Or India mein वैसे भी there is no standard. There is absolutely no standard of anything. So it doesn't make sense of anything. Actually, I'm feeling very. How am I feeling? I had chai from Baithak yesterday, and then I had Malai Sikh biryani, a bit of it. Only the dry portion of it yesterday. Only the rice. They know that I like the rice. Plain rice. So I had plain rice. And मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि मैं that I'll be having biryani. I don't know, it was like I had that in my mind. तो उन्होंने बोला कि ऑर्डर पे देना है एंड इट विल गो ऑफ, आप जल्दी आ जाइए. एंड कोइंसिडेंटली आई वाज जस्ट आई सेड आई विल रीच देयर इन 5 minutes 10 minutes मैं आ जाती हूँ, because it was around 8:45. And then then there was some just below that building. In that building there was this get together of these church का कुछ तो एक religious कुछ तो था. सारी bitches were over there. I said अगर मैं शॉर्टकट में जाती and if I had to go home and collect my container, but if I were to take the shortcut and go over there, then I would see all the bitches over there. I said that's such a coincidence that I didn't see their faces. One or two I think saw me because they were this close to me, because I was just going and they were coming. तो मैंने बोला that is okay, rather than being spotted खड़े रह के वो चीज़ खरीदने and these bitches are on my head. I said that would not be acceptable kind of a thing. So that's the way it was. This looks cute. This is a Korean clip which I got it 2018. I lost one of it, but this is damn cute. No, I'm thinking why don't I 7:48. I'm just thinking in my head कि मैं अगर opposite direction में जाऊंगी एंड फिर मैं वापस जाऊंगी तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत difficult होगा. Let me see what I'll be doing. हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है, इतनी सी भी हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है, बट आई थिंक लेट्स सी, आई ट्राई. निकलूँगी मैं आज जल्दी. आई थॉट आई गो होम, चेंज एंड गो फॉर माई वॉक. जल्दी जाऊँगी. Can you hear something? It's a crow. Can you hear? It's a crow. My Pihu recognizes me like anything. Hmm? She saw me from far away and she was doing like this, like, she was shaking her head like this, like this, like this. That's so cute of her. Chalo, I think I'll just say a hello and just make a move. Okay? See y'all. Today is Saturday. Depends. And catch you otherwise directly Sunday morning at the Pond Park at 6:40. So much fun. Feel like laughing. एक तुम्हारी फालतू सी कॉफ़ी दे रहे हो तुम, देन यू से कस्टमर सर्विस एंड अब इसके ऊपर ये सीरियसली यार, अरे मेरे घर के सामने है, इसके लिए मुझे एक चिट्ठी लिखनी पड़ेगी क्या? आर वी इन द 17th सेंचुरी? डम. ओके बाय गाइस.